Thanksgiving, friends. It is running kimono, and my oh my, we have a little Walgreens deal. They didn't completely forget about us, although most of us didn't get that 10 back when you spend 10 boosters, so that's that. And then over at Rite Aid, $15 moneymaker on Pepsi. We're going to dive right into that if you can run out right away if you have a Rite Aid pharmacy. And then I got like 50 something dollars of merch for like a $3 moneymaker, and we'll talk about that as well. So over at Rite Aid, this is the first store. So if you have a Rite Aid pharmacy, Google if you might have it or not. Something's going on with the Pepsi right now, so I don't know when this is going to end. It's supposed to be a freebie. Nothing at my store was tagged because the staff just walked in when I walked in at 8 in the morning. So the Pepsi is, you can buy up to 4 on a store card. So grab 4, either the Pepsi regular or the Diet Pepsi. And you're supposed to get back $10 when you buy, them in increments of 2, and you've hit your limit. For whatever reason, it's giving back an extra $14. So you're getting back $24. So just follow me with the math here. Again, we're at Rite Aid, grabbing 4 of the Pepsi 2 liters. That's $10 on the nose because they're 2 for $5. And then you're getting back $24 in bonus cash, making it free plus a $14 moneymaker. And you've reached your limit because it's 4 per store card, or you can do this offer twice per store card. But run out and do this right away. And if you want to do the bigger $50 basket, this would be like half of your balance. So like put $10 in to get that 14. It's super uber smart. And for a lot of you who are like, I don't believe you, this is all witchcraft kimono. Check it out, guys. $24 for buying 4 of those Pepsis, and I bought both Diet and the regular, so the 2 liters. I also photographed my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, as this is part of their catalog Pepsi. I got back an extra 125 points, so I'm not complaining too much about that. And if you've never heard of this app, link in the bio. Sign up today with my referral code. Submit any receipt. You're given an extra $2. That's called a little bit of Thanksgiving magic right there. The next store that we have is Walgreens, and if you have an itch to get out to Walgreens, this might be a deal for you. I saw a couple other influencers talk about this, and I also saw it myself at the store. So these and it's actually 2 different trimmers in one box. So I guess one for the hair and one for your beard. It's for the men. It's 50% off this week at $12.50. And then for those of you that love to look at the tags, here's the tag. We also have a $5 IVC, dropping it down to $7.50, throwing in some Walgreens cash or a store register reward, those $4 store register rewards that are floating around. You're getting this for like next to nothing. So the digital IVC, here it is. And just to let you guys know, this is of a one-time use. So if you buy 1 at one store and then you find 3 more at a different store, you got to pick where you want to use this because it's a one and done, these IVC coupons. So make sure you have it loaded to your store card. If you're just going to grab one, here's the math for this one. One at $12.50, subtracting that IVC, the new total is $7.50. And again, as stated, you can use Walgreens cash or a store register reward, so you're paying a lot less. I think this would make a really nice like extra Christmas gift for the special guy in your life, or if you're a male couponer and you need another set of clippers. I mean, it doesn't get any cheaper than this. What did I specifically do? I grabbed 2 of them. So grabbing 2 of them, that is $25 on the nose. Remember, guys, they're $12.50 a pop. That's how I'm getting the math. The IVC will get applied twice, so we're going to get $10 off. So the new total is $15. I threw in one of those $4 store register rewards along with $10 of Walgreens cash. I paid $1 plus the tax. And if you want to use Walgreens cash or store register rewards, by all means do it. You accumulate this stuff to use it for deals like this, and this is going to make a really nice Christmas gift. So I was delighted to track down 2. And let's not forget IVC coupons, that $5 off, one-time use. So if you're going to buy 1 at one store, if you find like 6 at the next, you're done. Unless you have more than one account where you can load that IVC more than once. Just remember that, guys. Okay, guys, now we're at Rite Aid, and we're going to talk about my $50 basket. This is what I grabbed, and we're going to go through each item, and it's like a $3 moneymaker after everything is said and done. The first item is the Baby Ruth Butterfingers Crunch Chunky 100 grand single serve candy bars. They're 2 for $2. $2 of bonus cash when you buy 2, making it free. And the limit is 4, so you can grab 8 for $8. And I grabbed those chunkies. My husband likes them. The next item that I grabbed was 4 of the soft soaps. They're 2 for $4, and you get $4 of bonus cash when you buy 2, making it free. And it's the 7.5 ounce. Nothing at the store was tagged because I was there so early. I should have helped the ladies tag everything because I was there at the crack of crow. Now, the next item is these Fabuloso, 3 for $3.99, $3 of Walgreens cash when you buy 3, and the limit for that is 2. The printing's so tiny, these old eyes have a hard time seeing that. It's either Fabuloso or Palmolive, and it's the smaller one. Any item, if it's not tagged at your store, bring it up to a cash register and ask for a price check, and so hopefully your numbers will gel, and you're like, I'm grabbing the right stuff, yes or no? Or they'll have everything staged on a table at your store. It wasn't the case at this store, but I tried my best. The next one is $6.49 for the Cottonelle, $3 of bonus cash when you buy 2. I also have a bonus cash challenge for this specific item, plus 50 cents back for each on IBOTTA. Now, the next item is $3 on the nose, $3 back in bonus cash with a limit of 2. So I grabbed 2 of the brushes by Conair, and here it is. Or you can get the Scuncy Elastic, so you pick. The last item to round off my basket is 2 of these Planters peanuts for $5.99, $3 of bonus cash when you buy 1, dropping it down to $2.99. This is my overall basket, guys. So I'm going to show you like a type up of my matchup, but this is the basket. It's a little clearer here. And just to go through it one more time, I have 8 candy bars, 2 hairbrushes, 4 soaps, 2 Cottonelles, 2 of the triple packs of peanuts, and then 6 Fabulosos. This is the coupon I got the cashier to scan. So all the products got scanned. I punched in my phone number. I said, yes, I want to use my bonus cash. Got the cashier to scan this, which is 15 back when you spend 50. And my total is well over 50 for this basket. This coupon is of a one-time use. So if you want to grab a screenshot, go for it. And I also got the cashier to scan this little this one, which is a 5 off of 25. Again, if you want to grab a screenshot, it worked for me this morning. This is what I grabbed again at Rite Aid. 2 of the Planters Trios at $11.98. 2 Cottonelles for $12.98. 2 Conairs for $6. 4 soft soap hand soaps for $8. 4 of those little chunk candy bars for $8. 6 Fabulosos for $7.98. For a grand total of $54.94. Got the cashier to scan that 15 back when you spend 50 plus the 5 off 25. I paid $49.94. I had already had that on my store card, so I just rolled bonus cash from last week to this week, and then I got back 52. So that's a really crazy number. 15 for that booster, and then 37 for all these items that's providing so much bonus cash. So it made it just a big, big money maker. And as I said earlier, my Cottonelle is giving back an extra $1. So it makes it like a $3 money maker after everything is said and done. So that's kind of amazing. And just to show you guys, yes, I got $1 back from IBOTTA. And this is valid over at good old Rite Aid with the IBOTTA app. Rite Aid is really where it's going to be at today, which is the 24th, the 25th, and the 26th. The 26th, which is Saturday, the sales end on these good products. So if you wish to follow me over on Instagram, I'll probably be showing photos of receipts and baskets. I won't be making more YouTube videos because there's only a selected group that really do Rite Aid deals, but that's where I will be putting it. If you wish to follow me, here's my name. Final store is Dollar General, and I did go out in search of the baby cakes, little mini appliance to make cupcakes or magic in one of those little machines. Unfortunately, I wanted to get it for my nieces for $5. They're originally 13 down to 5. They don't sell them here. So whatever, it is what it is. I might check a couple other Dollar Generals to track that down. Aunt Rach has to find one of those. But as always, guys, good luck. And remember these Dollar General deals today only, Thanksgiving. If you wish to watch my video, I'll link it right here. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.